see if I can do it.
Alright, guys, here we're back West Main Street, Murfreesboro. There's a train coming.
I got traffic coming.
Yep. I don't know why it's going off. But that train just passed, so I don't know why. Come on, traffic, come on! Look at this.
Could be malfunctioning.
It could be this could be a malfunction. Either malfunction or a train. It's about to come through West Main Street. Screw you, son.
The son's a baby. Yeah, who is that?
Alright.
There has to be one coming if he's not going.
I don't know.
Is that not supposed to be parked?
I guess so. It's either a malfunction. I'm not gonna get out because there's a person right there, but it's either a malfunction or an actual train is coming through. I'm not sure.
It's a malfunction, but he's not moving. He's just standing there. I don't hear one.
Me neither. Oh no, it's malfunction. We have a railroad crossing malfunction over at West Main Street in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. But there's a train sitting and waiting. Well, that was a short train too. Hope you guys enjoy. See you next time. Peace.